You have won a victory over the South African Revenue Services.
This was a tax allowance that we claimed many years ago, and the receiver disputed that and said you're not entitled to this. So we appealed that, and we were set down to go to court on the 14th of March, and then the receiver backed off from that case and said, no, you consider that we are entitled to that claim.
And how many days before you were due to go to court did the receiver of revenue back down?
I think the receiver walked away on the 10th of March, so it was about 2 business days before actually going to court. We eventually went the route that we got external counsel in and prepared decently for this case. Even going back as far as a 1985 letter written by the then Minister of Finance, Baron du Plessis, to actually prove the case. It's about 1.1 billion rand as it currently stands as an allowance. So what you'll see is, as Free Gold, our company that holds mainly Tsapong and Pakisa, the big operators within that entity, as they generate taxable earnings, we've got that allowance available to offset against that taxable earnings. So you'll see that advantage coming through on an annual basis now over the next few years.
We're seeing 333 million rand.
This is future benefit that we'll receive. Therefore, we've got to account for this as an asset credited to our income statement. And as that benefit flows through, then we'll reduce that asset then. So it is an accounting entry, but it's got real benefit as we pay less tax. We've got a bit of tax cover there. Therefore, the result is that we look at our average tax rate, which we had last year on Free Gold, which is about 29%, applied that to this allowance, resulting in a 333 million tax asset for us in future.